Hello, and welcome to WECA's MC4 connector video. My name is Bill Garr, the lead instructor for WECA's Get Wired program, and let's begin. I have a completed MC4 connector here. As you can see, the connector consists of two parts, female and male. With the MC4 tool, we can disconnect the male side from the female side. It is important not to do this under load. Now let's take a look at the MC4 parts and disassembly method. By using a solar connector tool, we can disassemble the male connector, then we can pull apart the body to expose crimp, seal, seal retainer, and cap nut. Now we can use the solar connector tool to disassemble the female connector. We will pull apart the body to expose crimp, seal, seal retainer, and cap nut. Here we have a view of both male and female MC4 bodies that are separated, cap nut, seal, seal retainer, and male crimp being assembled without conductor and crimp. These are the tools we will use: a wire stripper, solar connector crimper, and solar connector tool. Using the wire stripper, we proceed to strip the conductor a ½ inch. Then use the solar connector crimper to crimp the female connector. Then insert the crimp into the body. Assemble connector with solar connector tool. Listen for 2 clicks when tightening the cap nut. Now, using the wire stripper, we will proceed to strip the conductor a ½ inch. Use the solar connector crimper to crimp the male connector. Then insert crimp into the body. Assemble connector with the solar connector tool. Listen for 2 clicks when the tightening of the cap nut. This concludes our MC4 connector video. From all of us here at WECA, thanks for watching. Let's keep it safe out there.